Hi viewers and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. The purge valve is a small but important part of your vehicle's EVAP or evaporative emissions control system. Its job is to prevent harmful fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere while also feeding those vapors back into the engine and improving fuel efficiency. Things that can cause the purge valve to fail are normal wear over time, dirt or carbon buildup inside the valve, electrical failure of the solenoid, damaged wiring or connectors, moisture entering the EVAP system, and else. In this video, we'll explain the most common symptoms of a bad purge valve in the hope that it will help you notice this problem on time. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Hard starting after refueling. This is, in our opinion, one of the strongest indicators of a faulty purge valve. If your engine starts normally most of the time but becomes difficult to start immediately after filling the gas tank, the purge valve should be the first thing to check. Here's why. When refueling, the fuel tank generates a large amount of fuel vapor. If the purge valve is stuck open, these vapors can flood the intake manifold before the engine even starts. The result of this is an overly rich fuel mixture that can cause extended cranking, hard starting, rough running for several seconds, and occasionally the engine may even stall right after starting. Many drivers notice this problem only after visiting the gas station. A smell of fuel around the vehicle. The next telltale sign of this problem is the smell of fuel around your car. If the purge valve fails to properly control fuel vapors, gasoline fumes may escape from the EVAP system. You may notice the odor near the front of the vehicle, around the engine bay, around the fuel tank area, inside the garage after parking, for instance. A fuel smell should never be ignored because it can also indicate other fuel system problems that require immediate attention. The check engine light appears. Another common symptom of a failing purge valve is that the check engine light appears on the dashboard. Modern vehicles constantly monitor the EVAP system. If the purge valve becomes stuck open, stuck closed, or responds incorrectly, the engine computer will detect a problem and store a diagnostic trouble code. These are the most common codes for this problem. Keep in mind that these codes don't always mean that the purge valve itself is bad. Damaged hoses, wiring problems, or a faulty charcoal canister can produce similar codes, so proper diagnosis is important before replacing any parts. Rough idle. A bad purge valve can also cause a rough or unstable idle. Normally, the purge valve stays closed when the engine is cold or idling. It only opens when the engine computer commands it to do so. If the valve gets stuck open, fuel vapors continuously enter the intake manifold, and this throws off the air-fuel mixture and may cause rough idling, engine shaking, idle speed fluctuations, and occasional stalling. Hesitation during acceleration. A purge valve that opens when it shouldn't can upset the air-fuel mixture during acceleration. In this case, you may notice hesitation, a sluggish acceleration, and a brief loss of power. These symptoms are usually intermittent, making them difficult to diagnose because the car may run perfectly during one drive and act up during the next. Engine stalling. In more severe cases, a stuck open purge valve can cause the engine to stall. Because the engine receives extra fuel vapors at the wrong time, combustion becomes unstable. This is most noticeable when the engine is idling and shortly after you start the engine. While many other problems can cause stalling, a faulty purge valve should always be considered if other EVAP symptoms are also present. Poor fuel economy. Although a purge valve doesn't usually cause a dramatic increase in fuel consumption, it can still reduce fuel economy. The change may be small at first, but over time you'll notice the difference, mainly because of more frequent trips to the gas station. Failed emissions test. Finally, if your country requires emissions inspections, as most countries do, a faulty purge valve can cause your car to fail the test. Since the air-fuel mixture is disturbed, that will affect the exhaust fumes and this will give bad values at the emission test. Even if the engine seems to run normally, you may not pass the test. Oftentimes, the only warning before an emission failure is the illuminated check engine light. In the end, dear viewers, a bad purge valve may be a small and simple part on your car, but it can cause a surprising number of problems. If you're experiencing several of these symptoms at the same time, inspecting the purge valve is a smart place to begin your diagnosis. So that's it for this time. We hope this video helps notice the problem on time. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for the channel. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.